Into eyenza uAdam bacabane noNkulunkulu, into eyacatha uAdam noNkulunkulu kwaba ukuthi uAdam never obeyed the instructions coming from the Lord, because Adam was given instructions ukuthi nansi indawo ibuke, ibheke, igade, kodwa ungenzi lokho, ungakuthinti lokho, ungadli la. Ngoba into vele esusa umuntu kuNkulunkulu is to break the instruction, because once you break the instructions coming from the Lord, you are most likely to sin. So once you break the instructions, you are most likely to sin. That's why Adam into yamenza ukuthi adle isithelo, ukuthi azange awuthobele umthetho kaNkulunkulu amtshela wona ngesithelo. So wona kuAdam ngoba once wangawuthobela umthetho kaNkulunkulu uyona. Ngoba isono singena ngokungawuthobeli umthetho kaNkulunkulu, receiving the instructions that are coming from the Lord. Uma receive, uwathatha, uwaphile, you are most likely to stay in the Lord.